Hello, my name is Aman Kalabay, and this is assignment number 3 for data collection course. So our assignment was a topic data collection from web, data wrangling, and exploratory data analysis. So let's start. Let's start from initial part, which is initial setup. So we will first import necessary libraries and data collection and analysis. I'm going to import required libraries. Then I'm going to initial my empty list, which is stock, price, book titles. So here's a generally code that is going to scrap a book from this URL. I successfully I'm successfully get all books from this site. Then I'm going to here create a pandas data frame from the scratch data, which is title, row price, and availability. So I'm going to, as a proof, I'm going to display first 5 rows. Yes, you can see here a result, which is title, row price, availability. Here's with its values. Then I'm going to fix an issue, encoding issue. I'm going to remove this symbol from prices, I mean this one. So here I'm going to fix this issue. Yes, I'm going to replace this symbol with empty line, empty value. Yes, and as a proof, I'm here going to display the first 5 rows to verify that the encoding fix. Yes, here you can see the result. Before we had this symbol, after we don't have. Next is we are going to remove remaining encoding symbols. Yes, so as I showed, is like here. Then I'm going to check availability and again proof. So the next one is convert the price from British pounds to the dollars. Yes, from British pounds to the dollars, which is we're going to exchange the rate. I mean, 1 pound is 125 USDT. So we are going to extract using regular expression to the numeric values, and we are going to multiply to it to 1.25. Here we can see that it's USD price, a new column with the USD price. I mean, we are going to multiply this value to the convert this pound to dollars. Yes, the next one we are going to create a stock count, stock quantity. How many books do we have? And we are going to show files. I mean columns type, which is title is object, row price is object, availability is object, USDT is float, stock quantity it's int value. Next one is data wrangling. Our task 1, task A is unit conversation and the data type correction and the formatting. Here we are going to create a new column for price per stock units. I mean this one, units price, which is we are going to execute it with this formula, USD price divided by stock quantity. Here we can see. Then we're going to apply discount as 15%, which is we are going to multiply 0.85 for the items with stock both medium. Yes, here we can see that we are going to find the median, then we are going to apply the discount. Next one is, again, I'm going to prove unit price is float number. Then I'm going to prove that here I have as the next part, which is unit price. Then task B is data normalization. So I'm going to normalize stock quantity using z-score, and I'm going to normalize USD price using min-max scaling. I mean the score, we are going to use this formula, which is value minus mean divided by standard deviation. Yes, here you can see I'm going to use this formula, minus divided by standard deviation, and I'm going to here. Next one is a min-max scaling, which is we are going to scale all values between the range as 0 and 1. Yes, here we have a formula. Here's I'm going to prove that it's really work. Yes, next is let's check with existing columns in the data frames. Available columns, which is title, raw price, availability, USD price, stock quantity, unit price, stock z-score, price min-max. Then we are going to show a data frame shape. Then we are going to show the statistic for available columns. Yes, you can see here. I think it's yes, we can see here. And the task C is advanced binging and the categorized conversation. Here we are going to import all necessary library. Then we are going to create a 3 price category, which is low, medium, and high. Low, medium, and high. Then we are going to show it. Here we can see that our prices is high. Then we are going to show how many values have high category have this value, and etc. Then here we are going to show a histogram, which is this one. Here's the price USDT. Then here's the numbers of books, like as we are going to show like here. Then we are going to convert categorical columns into dummy variables using one-hot encoding. Yes, here we are going to use a dummy variable. Then we are going to show the first 10 data. Yes, here we can see a bunch of code. Then we can see that Atlantic in the Atlantic is high price. Let's be this one. This one is a true. This one is a minimum price, and this one is a medium price. This one is a low price. So we are going to count how many books are in a low price category. Here I'm going to show how many values we have, which is true. It is 134, and we are going to analyze data analysis. This one is task D, statistically summary and distribution. We are going to generate statistic summary of all numeric values. I mean, from provided counts, mean, standard deviation, mean, procents, min, max, and etc. We are going to describe it. Then here we are going to create a category, which is low, medium, and high. We are going to apply it. Then we can see here a category label, which is, let's say we have a USD prices. This one is a high, this one is a low, this one is a medium. We are going to use a group by for this result. Then we are going to use a pivot table, which is going to work with the mean category label. Here we are use the reset index. Next one is create a box. Create a box of. I mean, we are going to use a max plot and to show the graph. How many? We are going to show a box plot. Next one is we are going to show a correlation analysis. Here's the import, and we are going to create this result. So my time is almost over. Next one is we are going to calculate person, etc. I mean, I did all required yes, I mean all of it I have. Yes, thank you for your attention. Thanks.